So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to flip an image horizontal here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, what I want you to do is to obviously add an image to your design. So I have Los Angeles right here. But for example, if I wanted to make, let's just say a heart, just like this, I'll go to where it says photos right here and I'll find a nice photo right here of a heart. Now this will actually work pretty well for what I'm trying to show you guys. If you want to flip the image horizontally, what I'll do, for example, is I will make this in half, just like that. I will then press on copy and paste. Now I have two exact copies, I guess, of the same image. So if I wanted to flip this image to make it look like the heart, simplest way is press on the image right here. I go to the top to where it says flip, then press on flip horizontal. Now if I were to bring this image back together, it looks pretty similar to what it was before, pretty much a mirror image of each other. If I were to go back and flip it horizontal again, it's now the same image, but just duplicated twice. So that's an example on what a horizontal flip looks like. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. But once again, that's how to flip an image horizontal on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.